Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Thomson tablet TO-A13P. So when I have a problem with my headphones or another Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting in the simplest way: just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your tablet by holding the power button for 3 seconds. After that, tap on the restart. Little obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the power mode, and how to activate power mode you will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for the devices, but it's still not for the tablet. Go to settings, choose the system and tap on the advanced, then choose the rest options, and as you can see I have a network settings with Bluetooth included, so just tap on it and tap on rest settings. After that, tap on this button again. After that, look for the device on the Bluetooth list again. You can also try to update your system, so tap on the system update. If you have any updates, just download it and install, that's it. And the last recommendation from me: check your Bluetooth accessory and your tablet or another Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.